Right to your left, to your feet, at your feet.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Cosmo, look at this beautiful one here.
Wait till you see the one Sylvia's got.
Oh,
Look at that one. Let me see. That is beautiful.
Amazing.
Beautiful. Look at that. Very nice. Look like toast with that. You know? Very nice. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining me today. We're back out in the woods hunting morels. I got a group with me today that hunted with me back in the fall. We're out again for some more fun. We're chasing morels on the east side. It's going to be an awesome day. So let's go. Choke found his first morel. That's a nice one. We got two over here as well.
How do you do?
Yeah, so grab the morel and cut flush with the ground. Nope, nope, nope. Just go flush with the ground. Just across the, there you go. Yeah, above the dirt. There you go. Well done. Don't forget to cover up the hole. Good job, guys. Dude, look to your left. Look to your left, Alvaro. Nope, to your left and about 3 feet ahead of you. There's 4 of them there. And look at that big one. Look at that big one back there.
oh wow, yeah.
Dang.
Oh, there's some over here.
Like this?
Beautiful. That's perfect.
Oh, this is
Perfect, Sylvia. Did you find some more back there, Choke?
Yeah, there's more back there.
Awesome. There's a few more in there too. Yeah, and while you're squatting down like that, take a look around because there's probably more popping up. Very nice, guys.
Don't forget to cover up your evidence.
Yep. Got a few more over here.
And doesn't matter what size they are, can we pick them all?
The really tiny ones I usually leave,
So
but
like
when
this, you
yeah,
leave?
so when you're cutting, here's what you want to do. So when you take like mushroom here, just cut it like this.
Oh, okay.
That's
I don't
it.
have to go that. Okay.
Yeah, no dirt,
Okay.
and just pick it up like that. That's all you need.
Okay. So, but
Here, put
those
that
are
one in your bag.
too small, right?
No, those are fine.
Okay.
Yeah, those are fine. This one's fine here too. Yeah, those are all good mushrooms. Might have to get my bag out. Look at this big one right here. Gonna have to take this guy. Nice. Now the key is to take your time.
Oh, there's 5 here.
Look at him, I got a double. That looks good, Choke. Good job. I bet if we squat down, we'll see several more in this area. I think the biggest mistake I see people doing is they go too fast. But those are some chunky blondes, man. Well done, Choke.
Thank you.
You need some help?
But they are different. I don't know what they are.
Did you find one that's so big you can't lift it?
No.
What do we got?
There is this one that I don't know what it is, and this one. What are those?
Oh, so neither one of those are morels.
Okay.
That one's just a guild mushroom. This is a cup fungus that it's in the same family as morels. It grows at the same time, but we don't. They're not edible.
Okay.
With your instinct. Oh wow, there's a lot of grains here.
Look at them.
Pack of 3.
There's 3, and look to your right. Another one, and then there's one to your left too. Nope, to the left, in between. Checking to see if you stepped on any. Those look good, man. Good job. Let's see what else we got up here. Oh, look at these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7
Oh my goodness.
in a clump.
That's a good find there.
Nice.
So,
The corals are delicious. They're edible. They're a pain in the neck to clean. But the only caution I would give you on that is for some people it has a laxative effect.
ooh.
So I probably wouldn't eat it if you're going to go on like a road trip or something. But other than that, they're delicious.
Free will.
Yeah, yeah. So no, they're good. They're good. So far, we're having a pretty awesome hunt. Everybody's finding morels in this super, super secret spot. And they've all said this is the best hunt they've ever had, which makes me feel good. But as long as we're finding mushrooms, everybody's safe and having a good time. That's what's important to me. So we're doing great. Let's keep going.
I'm gonna get the knife.
I know you're really good at this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you, Echo. I got you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you just want to cut flush with the ground. There you go.
Nice.
Beautiful. Nice
That's
one.
my.
And get that other one too right there.
You gotta get that one.
Let's get the youngsters on that.
Yeah. I bet there's another one in here too.
I know, it looks just like a pine cone. They're very pretty.
Oh, there's so many ants in there.
That's okay. They live in there. We'll get them out of there when we clean them.
Farming inside.
Good job, guys. Look at that one. Wait, did you see that one that was behind Ty's foot? I think your bag is on it. Oh,
No, there's
No.
one right there too. It's right here.
yeah.
Try to get that
Look
one.
at the size of those, Echo.
Look at those.
Take a picture of that.
I don't have
Yeah, I couldn't get that one. I just went down.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that mushroom. Oh,
Look at that.
look at those. Dang.
And they're like kind of red on them.
Beautiful. This is a good spot. They're just hiding in this grass.
I got my knife out.
Well done, Echo. Good job.
I'm stuck now.
Cosmo, do you think the oak leaf has anything to do with it, or just?
No, they typically don't like the oak leaves.
Oh yeah.
I think it's just this. See how we got this open area here where it's right on the edge? They get a little more sun, but they're also protected a little bit from the rain coming this way. So we're still on the hunt. And we are in the crazy lady's secret spot. So far, hasn't been that great. I think my side of the secret spot was better, but we'll see. So far, been a really awesome hunt. Everybody's having a good time and they're learning. So we're all doing great. So let's keep going. Nice one. Oh, look to your left. See it? That's a nice one. That's a big one. Nice. Well done.
It's so rough.
Look at how big
Yeah.
these brown ones are. Look at those. Come and check these. Come and check out this cluster of 6 right here. You see them? Those are massive. Gonna need a bigger bag.
Oops. Right here.
Check out these. A couple of beauties right here. Almost too old. Borderline, yeah. This one's okay. This one's too old. We'll let it just spore out. I think there's a few more in this area too. Check this nice little area out. Got this nice one here and another one over there. There's probably a few more. Check it out. Well, we're wrapping it up for today. Another awesome hunt. These guys were so much fun to come out here and hunt morels, and we all filled our baskets. Brand new area. Really, really fun. If you guys liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe. And I look forward to joining you in the next adventure. Thanks.